harassment because I have been a victim of it, and then I don't like it, and I don't feel like a complete human being with my rights. I'm not being able to enjoy my rights when I'm actually being harassed on the streets, when I'm scared to go out of the house. So I'm really standing for it so that my sisters or my children in the future, or anyone else younger, older than me, will never ever face something like hideous like this.
I stand up against street harassment because being a woman in Nepal, even a child, I'm just a teenager, and I've also faced different kinds of street harassment, and I don't want that to happen. We should get to live peacefully and freely in our own country, which we don't get right now.
I have been harassed so many times and I feel so helpless, and I can't fight back when I get harassed. Once when I was traveling in micro, when the driver braked the micro, one man suddenly came and touched me, and I couldn't do nothing but just stare. It feels so bad, it felt so bad, but my bad, I couldn't do anything, and that man ran away.
So as me and my friends were traveling here in a taxi, there were two guys passing by our taxi. They were like, hey baby, where are you headed? Or hi. And it happened so quickly, and they were on a bike, so we couldn't actually say anything. Second incident that happened as we were walking up the stairs, there were two or three guys again verbally assaulting us, and I feel like this happens on such a regular basis here, and that happens to like all of us. And some are racist attacks, some are homophobic attacks, and some are just like these nasty verbal attacks, and no one should be facing all this.
I holler back because I have been experiencing street harassment since childhood, and that the girls are dominated really very much on the streets, and we don't have freedom as much as men. And I think that we are, as humans, we are entitled to walk with freedom and liberty on the streets, and right now we don't have that right. I want to be part of this campaign because I want all the girls and all the women and the third genders and everybody as humans to have this basic right that they need to have this freedom to walk on the streets with pride and freedom.
I holler back because I want respect.
I have been at the receiving end of verbal comments and verbal abuses by men, inappropriate comments, and most of the times I retaliate by shouting at them, and honestly I even use nasty words at them sometimes. And once in the streets of New Road, it is usually really crowded there, and once a guy even tried to grope me inappropriately, and when he tried to come near me, I put a slap right across his face. But still, even after slapping him, that guy, I mean, like, he had this nasty smirk in his face, which made me even angrier. But I mean, he was, I don't know, he was just smiling, and you know, he walked past me. I couldn't do more than that. It's about the mindset that many of these boys and men have, that I don't know, they have some sort of power, or they think they're a better, I don't know, superior race or something, that they can suppress women. Or yeah, I feel it's really wrong.
In one day, I faced street harassment one time, even more than one time. So I just want to stand up against the street harassment because I want to make aware people, not only girls, even boys should be aware about that.
The sign says, leave the whistle blowing job up to the traffic police, not like anybody else.
We all are back because we're not an object. We are a living being, and we have our rights.
And we are not here to entertain anyone, and we have our own rights, and we should be able to walk in the street as it is our right, and I think we should have the freedom to do that.
And have either of you ever experienced street harassment before? Yes. Like it just happened right now. Like it's very common here, but what happened was we're just walking up the stairs, and then we were blocking the way, and then there's this guy who came and wanted away, but he did not just say excuse me, he said, hey honey bunny, and we were like, we're not honey bunny, and I just ignored and just went his way.
So in this way we are harassed many times. Like it's just so common that we have learned to accept it, but I don't think it's the way it should be.
So my experience, once I was walking after school, I was coming alone. It was a alley, it was kind of deserted, so I was coming alone, and there is this guy who tells me who calls me, and I'm like, okay, I don't listen first. And once I turn back, he's flashing, and I get so terrified of that because I've never experienced it. That I was alone and I was being harassed at that time, so I just ran from that road, and I've never ever visited that road again because I was so scared.
So finally, talking about street harassment, it's really common in my country, and actually I face it day by day. Traveling through micros and walking in the street. Suppose if a girl is wearing skirt or shorts over here, and boys are like, "Hey baby, where are you going? Give me a number," and so on, many more things, which is actually not a good thing. So I actually joined Hello Back campaign to support girls, because in our country, in context of our country, we actually have to teach manners to our boys. So I joined this Hello Back, and I think so promoting this Hello Back will makes girl live their life happily and walk down to streets without any hesitations. That's why my outfit is not an invitation for you.